are some of the acceptable reasons in a Social Security case for not being compliant with your medical treatment? As I've spoken about this issue before, you need to understand that the Social Security Administration or a judge is going to be looking at whether or not you've been compliant with medication. And if you're not, ultimately the judge or Social Security will say, look, we just don't believe the frequency, duration, or intensity of your symptoms. We don't find you credible. If you were getting treatment, you'd be able to work. There are some reasons that could be justifiable reasons for not getting care. It might be that the treatment creates side effects that are worse than the actual symptoms. It might be that you have modified your activities of daily living to make you less symptomatic. It might be that you can't afford treatment and don't have access to free or low-cost medical services. It might be that you have been told by the doctor that there's no further treatment or effective treatment that you can be provided that will help reduce or eliminate your symptoms. It might be that the treatment is contrary to the teachings or tenets of your religion. It might be that you have a good reason, for example, for not having surgery. You might have had the surgery and had a poor result, and you don't want to have it again. It might be that you know someone who's had a poor result. But I will tell you that all of that has to be documented in your medical records with an explanation, including, let's say the doctor recommends open heart surgery and you choose not to have it, or a transplant, or a risky surgery. All of that needs to be explained in your medical records, because you saying it's so doesn't make it so. The Social Security Administration and the judge will ultimately be making credibility determinations about you, and that impacts your entitlement to benefits. Medical noncompliance or just not getting medical treatment will potentially doom a Social Security claim. If you have any questions, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.